large companies, they do have safety teams. So why do companies care for safety, right? Why is it important for large enterprises to have a dedicated safety team, a dedicated road safety team? So what is the value in it for them to like spend time and effort on safety?
See, companies, first of all, end of the day, companies will have moral and legal obligation of safeguarding the employees and people, everybody who is working for the company within the premises of the organization, right? So that's a legal and moral and ethical value or obligation, I would say, for every single organization that is working in the country. Large organization, they have also stepped outside of that legal definition, and they have included road safety as a part of the scope. Plant safety or on-site safety anyways is covered under the under various acts and rules of the organization, and you are bound to safeguard the people who are working with you. But how about, think about it, I mean, if I am running an industry and I say I'm not harming any single individual who is in my premises, whether they is an employee or a contractor or a visitor, anybody who is working at the organization at that point of time, but I'm not safeguarding the individual, or I'm not putting in any efforts to safeguard the individual when the individual is on the road. Now, usage of road is something which starts even before I'm born and which will end after I die, right? When the mother is going to the hospital carrying the baby in a room, that's where the exposure to road risk starts for any individual on this earth.
True.
And it ends at the crematorium. The life cycle, you'll see no other part of safety, whether it is fire safety, process safety, there are different parts of safety, but nothing is attached to you as much as road safety. But we still do not touch upon road safety as much as we do for other things. I still do not say that we have a very strong safety culture in the organization, but yes, I mean, we are doing a lot of things in the area of fire safety, process safety, in the area of industrial safety, by and large, but we are not doing enough from a corporate perspective in safeguarding or ensuring that we impart enough education and we have measuring process and overall PDCA cycle that we run for every other thing in the organization. We don't do it for road safety, and that is where I feel that integration of safety, industrial safety and road safety must take place. Any organization which claims to be a zero harm organization or working towards zero harm, you cannot shut your eyes at the employees or your material movement happening on the road. So it is very much, it may not be covered under the legal requirements, but it is very much an ethical requirement of the organization to spend some efforts in ensuring that these areas are also safeguarded. I understand a lot of things which happens on the road may not be as much controllable as it is within the plant, which is totally understandable. But even in the plant, for example, I can only give you training, I can supervise your work, but will I be able to stand behind you 24/7 or for the entire 8-hour shift? No, not possible. You will have 2, 3, 4, 5 safety officers in a company or in a plant which has got maybe 1,000+ employees working. So end of the day, what you trust is your input measures. So all the lead indicators that you have invested in, training, the coaching, and the systems and processes that you have developed, you trust on those systems and processes and behavior management, etc., for the results that you end up to get. And similarly, even on the road risks, if you start spending your, start spending in the area of lead indicators, for example, giving them training, putting up some monitoring and measuring processes, then you will start seeing the difference that we all desire for on the